Hi everybody, in this episode I'm gonna share with you my experience of unboxing Alfred DB1 CBL door lock. It's a Bluetooth and Z-Wave device, and this Z-Wave device can be integrated with Alfred hub. So let's start unpacking this fantastic door lock. First of all, before we start unboxing, let's take a look on all the sides of the box. It's a nice shaped device and nice box with the plastic cover. So let's start. The plastic cover. And now let's take inside box. It's like a luxury device because the box itself is a strong box. It's like it reminds me with some luxury devices. So here we have several manuals in both English and French. So this one is the programming in French, programming in English, and this step is gonna be done after we finish the installation. Installation guide in French and installation guide in English. This is an interesting added value part because they put different sizes of doors and a template on how to make the hole. So you're gonna make the big hole if it is not there, and there should be another small hole. Probably this is supposed to be done by the installer. Usually this is available with the standard door, but this is not. This should be made. And they put the dimensions and all the required settings. So even this part, so this is supposed to be folded like this. So this is the side of the door, and you can make the hole here, and it depends on the different sizes. So we remove everything. This is the main front screen. It's like a phone actually. It's very sensitive to touch. So this is supposed to go to the exterior part, to the outside, because you're gonna put your keypad or pin, the pin code here, and it's very sensitive. It's heavy as well. And this is the interior part. Now it's loose, but whenever you finish the installation, it's gonna be more strong. This is unlocked, and this is locked. This is locked, so it depends on the size of the door. On the direction of the door, whether it's right or left, and they have the setting for both of them. So let's open this one. So this goes outside, and then we put this from inside, and we connect it by screws, and then this is supposed to go on the top like this. And the setting is here for left and right, so it's just a switch it left or right. And we have 4 AA batteries, and they already provided the batteries here. It's gonna take a lot of months, I don't know. I installed one of these locks several months ago, and it's still working without any problem, and we are using the lock probably more than 10 times every day. This is another part. So secure, double metallic layers. And here there are different sizes as well. So if your door is not within the same size, you can just do it like this. It extends, or if it is not that much, you return it back like this. And this is the part that locks the door. And finally, we have everything you need here, including the security metallic parts that are supposed to go on the border of the door. They put several ones, actually double metallic layers for security. And what I like here is that they think about the details. So even the screws, you see within the same screw, the thread is different because one goes into the wood and the other part goes into the metallic part, so it connects both of them. If you don't like using the installation manual, you can install this application built, and it offers you a simple 3D procedure on how to install your system. So search for your device here and then follow the procedure. In the coming few minutes, I'm going to show you a very summarized procedure about the installation.
This procedure will assist you with installing the Alfred DB1. To complete this procedure, you will need a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. If your door does not have an existing lock you are replacing, you will also need a hammer, a chisel, a cordless drill, a 2 1/8 inches hole saw, a 1-inch boring bit, a 7/64. When replacing an old doorknob, be sure to remove the old hardware from the door. You will also need to remove the hardware from the door frame. Measure your door backset from the edge of the door to the center of the hole where your door lock will be inserted. It should measure either 2 3/4 of an inch or 2 3/8 of an inch. The latch bolt can be adjusted to fit the backset of your door. If your backset is 2 3/4 inches, leave the latch bolt as is. Note, this step is for new door installations only. Place the drill template on the door at the desired height for your lock. Align the dotted line on the Note, this step is for new door installations only. If your door is 2 3/4 inches thick, then use the circles farthest from the dotted line as your drilling guides. Insert the latch bolt assembly into the door through the hole in the edge of the door. Attach 1. Reinforcement plate to the door frame directly across from the latch bolt in the door using 2. Attach 1. Strike plate to the reinforcement plate and door frame using 2. Using a Phillips screwdriver, adjust the turn hub and the bolt latch to check the functionality of the bolt latch. Remove the protective cover from the outside escutcheon. Place the outside escutcheon on the outside face of the door. Thread the cable under the bolt latch so that it is going all the way through the door. Place the gasket and mounting plate against the inside face of the door. Thread the cable from the outside escutcheon through the bottom right rectangular hole in the mounting plate. Place the rotation shaft with key tailpiece in the cylindrical insert on the inside escutcheon. Plug the cable from the outside escutcheon into the inside escutcheon. Caution: there is a switch on the back side of the inside escutcheon. The position of the switch should be toward the nearest door frame. Attach the inside escutcheon to the mounting plate. Note: remove the battery cover from the inside escutcheon. Secure the inside escutcheon to the mounting plate using 2 BM 4x6 screws and insert the 4 included AA batteries. Replace the battery cover. Use the included programming instructions to set your master pin and then download the Alfred app to configure and control your Alfred lock. Remove the screen protector on the front of the device. Congratulations, this completes the installation of the Alfred DB1.
So this is how the lock looks like when you install it on the door, and here lock, unlock, and from the other side we have a very sensitive touch screen. What you need to do is to let's say it's open now, so when you close it we just press any key for 2 seconds. When you want to open, you have to touch it and then you input your PIN code and you press this. It's gonna unlock. Finally, we can use the mobile app. So we press this icon, it's gonna unlock the door, and if we press it again, it's gonna lock the door back. So thank you so much and see you later.